Okay, so we got it reassembled. You'll see this bolt come into view here as it intermittent right there. And we drilled it all the way down through the ball joint connector. It's just a little snap in right there, but it keeps popping off. We've done a couple things to countermeasure this from happening. This is like the third time. So we've put a bolt with 2 nuts, drilled it all the way through. Now this bar itself is scored and bends as if it is made to break away. Seriously, I think that's made to do that and to pop off to protect the motor. But I can't be driving without windshield wipers. So this being the third time through, we're trying to protect it for sure. We put Loctite on the back side of the bolt, two bolts on the back of that as well. Now, we're also going to do something else to try and countermeasure this, is to reduce our drag against the windshield. I think I'm going to go with 1 inch smaller windshield wipers because when they hook and drag on dry surfaces, now I use this as a fleet vehicle, so sometimes I'm out here for hours and hours at a time, and we do get snow. Sometimes snow and ice gets caught on there and pops it off right at a bad time. So we got this all lubricated, getting ready to put it all back together and reassemble it, and then see what we get.